All right, everyone. So the NASDAQ today started off in choppy waters, continued to decline throughout the day up until in the later afternoon hours, where it bounced off pretty strongly. It was down below more than 1% and it closed up at negative 0.38% for the day. However, it was still the worst performing of the three indices, of the major indices, with the Dow Jones basically running flat for the day, and the S&P 500 was right in between. Now let's take a look at the daily chart. So the thing that sticks out to me the most right now is it seems like we are in the very beginning phases of consolidation, with the top being formed here and the bottom around here, around these levels. And I feel like consolidation is a perfect narrative because we're seeing the big tech stocks in the NASDAQ. They continue to slightly edge higher, right? Day by day, the Googles and the Facebooks, and that's in the last few months, that is. Meanwhile, Apple and Amazon remaining flat. Some of the others are going up. So I think we're going to continue seeing big tech do relatively well, right? So pushing the NASDAQ higher, right? But the NASDAQ isn't just the big tech. I feel like we're going to see more selling pressure as the NASDAQ goes up by the more growthy names, right? The more growth stocks in the NASDAQ, the smaller tech that are not yet profitable, which has been selling off in droves the last couple months. I feel like that's going to be the theme for the rest of the year, and thereby pushing the stocks lower, right? So I feel like we're going to be trading in this range for all of summer, and to couple all of that with the notion of sell in May, go away, we're going to see lesser volume as well. So I just don't expect us to see the volatility that we've been accustomed to over the last year for these next few months. Another thing to note is this trend line here is acting sort of as a line of resistance. It dates back actually to the COVID levels, to the COVID lows. So that's something to keep an eye on. All right, guys, check back in tomorrow for the next daily market update.